Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Elegant house design embodies a refined aesthetic that transcends fleeting trends, focusing on timeless sophistication and understated luxury. At its core, elegance in architecture and interior design is about creating a harmonious and cohesive space where every element is carefully curated, contributing to an overall sense of grace and refinement. The color palette in elegant house design tends to be subdued, favoring neutral tones like whites, creams, and soft grays. This restrained use of color allows architectural features and carefully selected details to take center stage. Occasionally, a touch of muted hues or metallic accents may be introduced to add a layer of sophistication. Inside, elegant interiors embrace a sense of openness and flow. High ceilings and strategically placed windows contribute to the airiness of the space, allowing natural light to filter through. The use of quality materials such as marble, hardwood, and polished metals elevates the interior, creating a sense of opulence. Furniture in an elegant house is chosen for its timeless design and craftsmanship. Pieces often feature classic silhouettes with subtle detailing. Luxurious upholstery and fine finishes contribute to the overall sense of refinement. The arrangement of furniture is thoughtful, creating conversation areas and emphasizing a sense of balance. Details play a crucial role in elevating the elegance of a house. Intricate moldings, coffered ceilings, and wainscoting add architectural interest. Thoughtfully chosen lighting fixtures, from chandeliers to sconces, serve as both functional elements and artistic statements. Custom millwork and built-in cabinetry contribute to a sense of tailored sophistication. In terms of decor, the emphasis is on quality over quantity. Artwork, if present, is often impactful and carefully placed to create focal points. Soft furnishings, such as drapes and upholstery, are rich and sumptuous, adding texture and warmth. Accessories are chosen sparingly, allowing each piece to shine and contribute to the overall sense of elegance. Elegant house design is not about excess but about the artful balance of elements. It's a celebration of refined taste, where each detail is purposefully chosen to contribute to the overall sense of sophistication. The result is a home that exudes a timeless elegance, welcoming inhabitants and guests into a space that transcends passing trends, embracing a sense of enduring beauty and grace.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!